You're tall. What's your name, little girl? What's your name?
No.
Come on, play with me. What's your name?
Bofa.
And what's your favorite color?
Green.
And
I can't believe you're making
who's your best friend?
Myself.
No.
I'm always kind of
Who is your best friend?
Robin, Eichelhart,
And who else?
and Glenn Ralph,
Uh-huh.
and Brendan Ferret.
What's your favorite movie?
Lost Boys.
The Lost Boys. I hate that movie.
Do you really?
No, I like it. I'm just kidding.
Favorite movie?
And what'd you do Saturday night?
Arabica.
And you had fun with these great guys, didn't you? Okay. Put it right side up. Okay. That's good. I don't see it over.
Cool.
Still recording.
Look at the bofa.
I never was still recording.
Say something.
Hi.
I want to make sure I get your little board thingy.
My name's Nick.
Are you deserving of that name?
Yeah, boy. Come on.
I can't believe you're making me do this. There we go.
You're gonna do these today.
Oh, am I? Where's like the interview sheet?
Can you just wing it? Can you just say, hi, little boy?
But aren't we supposed to ask him specific questions?
Well, yeah, you have to ask. I mean, ask them their name and how old they are, like how tall they are, what grade they're in, and stuff like that. But you can wing it. You can ask their favorite color, their favorite movie, their favorite TV show. They like to play baseball, basketball, stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, you done?
Uh-huh. You're on the air.
Hello. And today, boys and girls, I'm going to do some magic tricks.
Baby.
Tricks, that's a key word. Okay, for instance, I can make this board disappear. Watch. It's gone. And now I can make it come back. Watch. I'm very good. What else would you like to see I do? I can make myself disappear.
That's a thought.
I'm sure I can think of a lot of people who can do that. Disappear. Now I'm back. This is for 3-year-olds. And believe it is. Does that be undressed for you on video?
Please.
No.
I'm going to zoom in on your head.
What?
I'm zooming in on your head. Here's a quarter, you get that thing not off your face. I'm going to zoom in on it. Turn around.
No.
No, turn around. Just turn around.
No, because you'll zoom in on.
No, I'm not going to zoom in on your butt.
Shut up.
Turn around.
That's the end.
No, it's not.
Now I'm going to make our camera person disappear. Come on, let's see your face.
Be a sport. What am I supposed to do? Look directly at me. Amazing videotape.
What do you have to use now?
My mother says, take advantage of her hospitality, eat her food.
She's poisoning you, she said.
Ask him why I'm poisoning him.
And they showed her videotape today on the big camera.
Do a little dance for us.
Like dance.
Let's see the back of your shirt.
Turn around.
Let's see the back of your shirt.
One.
She can't do anything like that.
Okay. I'll do that.
Okay.
Now you see me.
No. That don't work.
Good sound.
Guns was much better.
Okay, watch. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
I gotta put this on. Okay, I'm gonna make it disappear into my ear.
Okay.
The other side.
That was good.
Can I go now?
Any last words?
I like to thank my producer and all the little people.
That's your dog.
I love Glenn more than life itself. And I'll never be a whole person because of another beauty.
Oh, that's good.
Got a good positive thing.
At least it's not me.
Roll ball.
Go for rules.
Roll ball. You want me to do a dance for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.